Hello, this is Rich Collins, your instructor in ATM101 Weather and Climate of Alaska here at the University of Alaska Fairbanks. Welcome to Unit 5. In this unit we study air pressure and its role in the behavior of the atmosphere. Your study is based both on the reading and the investigation. In the investigation you will crush a pop can using the pressure exerted by the weight of the atmosphere. You will follow up by analyzing a more formal experiment that was conducted here in a classroom laboratory in Fairbanks. This unit explores ideas that are fundamental to the scientific method. Scientific laws, such as the ideal gas law, are a mathematical statement of how gases behave in nature. The kinetic theory of gases is a theory that says gases are composed of small particles that bounce around. These microscopic particles exert pressure and depend on temperature in ways that are well described and consistent with the macroscopic quantities of temperature and pressure. If you could use the kinetic theory to predict gas behavior that was counter to the ideal gas law, then we would have to reject the kinetic theory. So far, the kinetic theory has held up over several hundred years. And we conclude that it describes the nature of gases at the microscopic level and their behavior at the macroscopic level. The reading for this week is Chapter 5 of Weather Studies and Chapter 5 of the Climate of Alaska. The subject of Chapter 5 of Weather Studies is pressure in the atmosphere. The subject of Chapter 5 in the Climate of Alaska is the pattern of pressure and wind in Alaska. Later in the semester, we will study how pressure drives the winds in the atmosphere. In the lecture screencast for this unit, I highlight the key themes for the unit. You should watch it before you jump into the reading. The lecture also highlights the concepts that are important for the quiz. Again, I recommend that you only attempt the quiz after you have done all the other assignments in the unit. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me or the teaching assistant. Thank you and good luck.